And President Trump says America could face both an economic and national security disaster if the Supreme Court overturns his sweeping tariff powers. Trump spoke to reporters defending his use of emergency laws to impose tariffs on almost every foreign country and claiming those tariffs are generating historic levels of investment.
Without tariffs, this country would be in such trouble, as they were for many years. That would go away if we lose the tariff case. So all of it would go away. So they're not giving the right numbers. It would be an economic disaster. It would be a national security disaster if we lost the case in the Supreme Court.
Trump says the Supreme Court decision currently pending is a national security issue. He claims tariffs are pulling in trillions of dollars, and he claims that money is driving investment into U.S. factories and production. He argues the administration has more than $18 trillion in investment committed already and predicts that number will cross $20 trillion by the end of his first year back in office.
Well, that obviously we can handle very easily. But this is trillions of dollars we're talking about in terms of the tariff income and all the investment income that's come into our country. We're over 18 trillion. By the time my first year ends, we're going to have over $20 trillion of investment coming into the United States. It's unheard of. We have AI factories. We're leading China by a lot. We have cars and car plants coming in by more than we've ever had built before.
Trump also announced a policy plan tied to these tariffs. He said he intends to issue a $2,000 dividend payment to lower and middle-income Americans, funded directly from tariff revenues. And he says the remaining tariff income would be used to reduce America's national debt, which has reached a record $38 trillion.
That's why we owe $38 trillion. And one of the things we're going to do, we're going to issue a dividend to our middle-income people and lower-income people of about $2,000. And we're going to use the remaining tariffs to lower our debt. We're going to be lowering our debt, which is a national security thing. So we're doing a lot of good work.
The president again said inflation is easing, telling reporters food and energy prices are coming down since he took office. Critics, including economists, have questioned Trump's math and have also said publicly that government tariff receipts are measured in billions, not trillions. But the political stakes are enormous. A Supreme Court decision killing the emergency tariff authority would blow up Trump's economic strategy.